Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn book number 2nd, lesson number 1, Olympics. So let's read and understand the lesson. Olympics. Ancient Olympic Games. The Olympic Games began at Olympia in Greece in 776 BCE. The Greek calendar was based on the Olympiad, the 4-year period between the games. The games were staged in the wooden valley of Olympia in Elis, where the Greek erected statues and built temples in a grove dedicated to Zeus, its supreme among the gods. The greatest statue of Zeus was made of ivory and gold. The ancient Greek were highly competitive and believed strongly in the concept of agon or competition or contest. The ultimate Greek goal was to be the best all aspects of life, especially athletics, were centered around this concept. It was therefore considered one of the greatest honors to win a victory at Olympia. From the beginning, the games at Olympia served as a bond between the Greeks and strengthened the Greek sense of national unity. But gradually, the people living in nearby states and countries too wanted to participate in it. From then on, the participation of many competition and many competitors from outside came. Olympic gave the games an international nature. Today, the best amateur athletics in the world match skill and endurance in a series of contests called Olympic Games. Almost every nation sends teams of selected athletics to take part. The purpose of the Olympic Games is to foster the ideal of a sound mind in a sound body and to promote friendship among nations. The Olympic movements uses symbols to represent the ideal embodied. In the Olympic chapter, the Olympic symbol, better known as Olympic rings, it consists of 5 intertwined rings and represents the unity of 5 inhabited continents, namely like Africa, America, Asia, Australia, and Europe. The colored version of the rings like blue, yellow, black, green, and red. It over white field form the Olympic flag. The Olympic motto like Citis Altius Fortius is a Latin expression. Its meaning like faster, higher, and stronger. Months before the games, the Olympic flames is lit in Olympia in a ceremony that reflect ancient Greek rituals. The Olympic mascots is an animal or human figure represents the heritage of the host country. Now let's discuss the summary of this lesson. Lesson Olympics. The Olympic Games began at Olympia in Greece in 776 BCE and the games were staged in the wooden valley of Olympia in Elis where the Greek erected the statue and built temples in a grove to dedicate to Zeus, supreme among the gods, and the greatest statue of Zeus was made of ivory and gold. The victors of the games were crowned with wreaths. Wreaths means what? The circle of flower and leaves that won on the head. Means those were winner were there, they get the crown like that. From a sacred olive tree that grew behind the temple of Zeus. As we learn, The ancient Greeks were highly competitive and believed strongly in the concept of agon. What do you mean by agon? Agon means competition or contest. The ultimate Greek goal was to be the best. Okay, it was not for a material if they will win, they will get something prize or something gold and silver. They were not play for that. What's the concept behind of it? They want to be the best. Yes, all aspect of life, especially athletics, were centered around this concept. Athletics were of prime importance to the Greeks. Okay, the education of boys and it's concentrate on the athletics and music as well as they learn in academics. Gradually, the people living in nearby states and countries too wanted to participate in that. They learned the importance of athletes. From then on, the participation of many competitors from outside the Greece in the Olympia gave the games to an international and internationalization nature. Do you know what's the purpose of the Olympic Games? Why the many countries and many peoples wanted to be participated in it? Yes, it's main reason for the foster. Foster the ideal. Foster means what? To develop. To develop the ideal of a sound mind in a sound body and to promote friendship among nations. You might have been seen that rings, the colored version of the rings like blue, yellow, black, green and red over a white field form the Olympics flag. Do you know the colors why were it chosen? Yes, because what's the reason behind of it? Because every nation had at least one of them on its national flag. And what's the Olympic motto? You can see the picture of these three boys like first, second and third. What it is mean? First means faster, second means higher and third means stronger. Okay, it's the motto in the Latin expression. Now let's learn about how the Olympic flame lit. Okay, the Olympic flame is lit in Olympia in a ceremony that reflects that Greek rituals. That time a woman performer who is acting as a priest. Okay, she ignites a torch by placing it on a mirror which focuses on the sun's rays. She then lights the torch of the first relay bearer. Bearer means what? The boy, otherwise girl or who is player, who takes this lamp in her hand and runs. Thus initiating. Okay, initiating means what? It begins. The Olympic torch relay that it will carry the flame to the Olympic stadium of the host city and where it plays an important role in the opening ceremony.